Today we'll be installing a Torklift North Hitch, part number X7352, on a Mercedes Sprinter van. This front-mounted hitch increases your van's capabilities by allowing you to mount a range of accessories from bike racks to cargo trays. If you find this video helpful, consider leaving it a like and hitting the subscribe button below for any future installs. Start off by opening the van's hood and removing 3 Torx screws along the top of the grille. Gently pull back the top of the grille to reveal plastic tabs located on the bottom inside of the grille. Push down on these tabs to unclip them from the vehicle. Remove the 2 shown Torx screws. Remove the license plate and license plate bracket. Some vehicles have 2 hex screws located behind the plate bracket to remove. This one did not. Remove the 2 Torx screws securing the front bumper to the frame. Remove all retaining push clips around the skirt of the bumper. Remove the clips inside each wheel well. Pull back the wheel well lining and remove the screw and plastic clip located on the inside of the bumper. Remove the bumper, working from the wheels to the center. Unplug the wiring harness on each side of the bumper. If present, remove the clips holding the wire to the crossmember. Remove the 8 bolts mounting the crossmember to the frame, then remove the crossmember. Slightly loosen the bolt securing the transmission lines and push the 2 lines up as high as possible. Retighten the bolt. Mark a straight line that connects the top edges of the 2 tabs on the plastic radiator cover. Use this line as a guide to trim the plastic cover. Attach a 1x2 plate washer, star washer, and bolt to the end of the provided bolt fisher. Insert the hardware 1 piece at a time into the shown hole and pull straight back down so the bolt protrudes from the hole. Repeat on the other side of the vehicle. Due to a thick layer of paint in the bolt holes, we had to do some cleaning with a wire brush. Carefully lift the hitch into position, guiding the bolt fishers through their corresponding holes. Thread an M12 bolt, lock washer, and flat washer into each of the front holes of the hitch. Secure each of the fished bolts with a washer, lock washer, and nut. torque down all the hardware. Follow the guidelines in the instructions to trim the bumper to fit your newly installed hitch. Reinstall the bumper and grille in the reverse order of removal. Your North Hitch installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.